Hi fam! This is Miss A, your classy beauty savvy, and welcome back sa ating channel! This time we're going to review yet another beauty product, and this is going to be the Vice Cosmetics GANDOLL product. So meron silang GANDOLL collection, and these are the brow products. Yay! So meron tayo ditong Vice GANDOLL Micro Brow, and I also have the Vice GANDOLL Volumizing Brow Gel. So as you can see, I already did my entire face except for the eyebrows para ma-review natin tong dalawang to. And another thing, guys, I also did a comparison video of the two very popular skin tints in the market. Meron tayo nitong Bello Tinted skin tints, the Bello one and the BLK one and the Bello one sa ating IGTV. So if you haven't checked that one out, I'll be linking it down below, or you may check out our IG so that you'll be updated with any other IG content that I'll be posting. Kasi I'm planning to do wear test videos sa IGTV. I'm also planning to do comparison videos sa ating IGTV. So if you want to check that one out, follow me on IG. Okay, so now, after that, I'll show you what else I've used sa ating mukha. Meron din tayo sa lipstick. So, if you might be wondering, ginamit ko si BLK Universal Latte. That's one of my favorite shades. Let me just find Latte over here. So, this is Latte. I love Latte. There you go. So, if you want to check out my full-on review of the BLK Universal collection, I also will be linking it up in the iCard above or down in the description box. Also, sa ating mukha, I also use the entire face palette of Careline. I'm super in love with this. I've been using it non-stop for the entire 2 weeks in a row na. So, sobrang recommended ko to sa inyo. So, ayan siya. Ginamit natin yan today sa ating eyes, sa ating cheeks. Even the highlight is from this palette. So, I also did a full-on review on this one. Don't forget to check that one out sa ating iCard and down in the description box. So now, let's go right into the discussion or review ng ating GANDOLL makeup products from Vice Cosmetics. So this one is the Micro Brow Pencil, and I'm in soft brown. I picked up the soft brown shade. They have 4 shades or so. I just got the soft brown kasi ito yung magmamatch well sa ating hair. And according to Vice Cosmetics, this one is ultra slim, precise, and long wearing. That sounds really good. I got this for only 195 pesos sa Watsons. And let's check this one out. Oh, by the way, it's cruelty-free according to the product. It's cruelty-free, it's paraben-free, and you can use this for 12 months. This one has 0.10 grams. There you go. And so this is how it looks like. Super thin nga naman at ang gaan-gaan niya. Meron tayo ditong first sa other part. Ito na mismo yung ating brow product. Let's see how much product we can get out of this one. Oh, not bad. Ayan siya lahat. Mga kasing maliit lang ng kalahati ng pinky nyo. Ayan, ganyan lang siya. Oh. So, yung pinky ko. Makonti lang siya. And then, of course, let's check out yung kanilang, be careful, ultra thin nga naman siya, guys. So, ayan siya, oh, sobrang nipis. Para hidla ng buhok. And then, yung pagbukas niyo sa kanya, yung unang part pa lang niya ay hindi naman chiseled, hindi siya angled, flat siya. Full-on flat siya, dahil. Ganyan. Ayan. Next, we also have sa other part ay yung spoolie. There we go. It's small. It's not scratchy naman sa skin. Soft naman siya. So that's good. Let's go and give it a try na. Again, I'm using soft brown. Let me forward. Let you move closer. Ayan na siya. Ito ang ating kilay ngayon. Yan ang current status niya. There. So let's try this. Ayan. So, here you can see, mas na-fill in niya yung ating brow. Pero hindi niya kayang i-fill in lahat ng gaps. As you can see, may mga gaps tayo dito sa ating buhok. And most likely, yung brow gel nila ang mag-fill in nun. Pero sobrang ganda ng finish. I enjoyed it. Ang ganda. Tingnan nyo, guys. Diba? It looks good. Siguro kapalan lang natin yung ditong banda. Medyo manipis siya eh. Ayan. I'll just finish up the entire look. And I'll be back and I'll share with you my thoughts on this product. And I just finished both ng ating eyebrow. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. I enjoyed it. Kaya niyang gayahin yung mga hair mo dito. Kaya niyang gayahin yun. Kasi nga, super thin siya. So, you can create like hair-like strokes. Maganda. And yung finish niya, guys, you know, when you glide din sa inyong kilay, very smooth. Very good siya. Hindi siya tagging. Hindi mo siya kailangang itag. Tapos, dahil manipis siya, the product hindi siya sobrang makapal immediately. So, it will really give you control over your application. So, if you're heavy-handed, ikaw yung tipo na ang bigat na kami pag nagme-makeup, this will really work well for you. Kasi, hindi siya agad-agad, like, surprisingly ang kapal. So, you have the control over the product. And then, of course, ang dali niyang i-apply. Sobrang nadalian ako sa kanya. Although, hindi niya kayang i-fill in lahat kasi nga sobrang nipis niya, it will work well. At ma-fill out niya at ma-shape niya yung eyebrows niyo perfectly. I use this sa under part, ito, sa baba, and then sa upper part ng aking eyebrows to create this look, this shape. And I really had no problem doing it. And dahil retractable siya, you don't need to use a sharpener. So this will save you so much time in the morning. Especially, I do like every single time I have to do my eyebrows using my Nichido one, I have to use a sharpener. That can get a little bit of a hassle for you guys, and it can really make your makeup kit dirty. Kasi I use it and I put my sharpener in my makeup kit as well. So, hindi siya very practical. Pero since you have something like this na, it will really application smoother and faster. So, yeah, I recommend you using this. Oh, by the way, may spoolie pala tayo. Nakalimutan kong gamitin. Let's use the spoolie and let us brush the hair. The spoolie is small enough to brush your hair sa brows at ang smooth niya. Hindi siya magaspang or masakit sa brow part. That's good. I really enjoyed this product. I recommend this. It's only 195 pesos. Very good. Soft brown. Try the GANDOLL Volumizing Brow Gel, and this one, it claims to be volumizing, it's long wearing, and it's filling. So I got the shade again, soft brown, and this one has 6 months in it. Again, it's paraben free, it's cruelty free, and yes, made in the Philippines, I believe. There you go. And it has 5 ml. And let's give this a try. Ito siya. And upon opening it, meron tayong ganitong wand. This is the wand, you guys. Ayan siya, ayan siya. Medyo malaki siya, dai, compared dun sa ating spoolie. So, if you compare it dun sa spoolie niya, Mas malaki siya talaga. Ayan siya, oh. Medyo natatakot ako baka masyado niyang madumihan yung eyebrows natin. At meron din siyang mga hair. Ayan, parang meron siyang hair-like fiber that can really make your eyebrows look fuller. So, yun siya. It doesn't have any strong smell. And, yeah, let's try it sa ating kamay. Uh-oh. Parang walang kumapit na product. Ayan siya. Medyo magaspang yung kanyang spoolie. So, let's pray na hindi niya masyadong madumihan ang ating eyebrows. So, tinanggal ko muna yung gapiranggot na dumi niya. And let's give it a try. Oh, surprisingly, hindi naman siya magaspang sa eyebrows. Talagang buhok, medyo hindi pa rin yan na-fill in. So, you have to go back again with your GANDOLL Micro Brow product and then line it up. Parang sulatan nyo siya ulit para ma-fill in lang siya. Pero other than that, it looks good. It looks very natural. Hindi din siya matigas. Medyo wet nga yung formula niya eh. Hindi siya matigas na it can really make your eyebrows look so stiff. Hindi siya ganon, and nasusuklay siya ng maayos sa buhok. So, it doesn't set too fast then. So, that's also a good part of it. There you go! Again, the eyebrow product is for only, the eyebrow gel is for only 195 pesos. As well for 5 ml. Ang dami na nun, guys. So there, that's it for our eyebrow thingy-majiggy ng ating Vice GANDOLL collection. Let's go and talk about my final thoughts now with these sa ating mga GANDOLL products. So the eyebrow pencil, I must say it's the best. I like it. It's very good. It's easy to apply. Very, very magaan siya. And it can really shape your eyebrows. Pero if you are looking for filling, hindi siya nakaka-fill kasi nga masyado siyang thin. So, you really have to use this parang to create lang like hair-like strokes. Ganon. Pero if you want something na thicker consistency, you might want to try out some other pencils. Pero ito, maganda siya. Lalo na kapag medyo kalbo pa yung eyebrows ninyo, yung hindi pa talaga siya sobrang maayos, you can use this to fill in and maging fuller yung eyebrows ninyo. Now, for this one, the Vice GANDOLL Volumizing Brow Gel, it is also promising. I'm looking at my eyebrows right now and it looks good. It doesn't look cakey or it doesn't look yung nagka-clump. And it looks soft. It's soft. Medyo na-darken na niya yung eyebrows ko upon using it. So, in real life, medyo maitim siya sa aking liking. So, more likely, konting product lang for this one will work para hindi masyadong mangitim yung inyong eyebrows. But other than that, it works well as well. Gusto ko yon. Even though makapal yung wand nito compared dito sa wand ng ating micro brow, surprisingly, hindi siya nakakairita sa iyong skin. Hindi siya harsh. Sa eyebrow, hindi siya nagda-drag. So, I'm surprised at happy ako sa outcome na na-create ko using these products. So, again, they're both 195 pesos only sa Watson. So, if you want to give it a try, I suggest you do. Very affordable siya. And it can really create really good looking eyebrows. So there you go. That's it for my Vice GANDOLL eyebrow product reviews. So if you really want to see more reviews like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, the like button, and the bell button as well for you to get notified every single time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again on our next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye!